What's up, guys? So it's been a while since I've taken my kayak out, so I went out and found some backwaters and found some fish. Missed a bunch of topwaters, but you'll have that. Also, I have a new podcast out. It's called The Jesse Dow Show. It is on Spotify and YouTube as of right now. Hoping to get it out to some more places, but go check that out if you want. Enjoy the video. First one. Oh, man.
Is it still on?
No. There.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What color are you throwing? Just like traditional?
Yeah. That's not a bad one.
Not at all.
Nice. Good couple of pounder. Little chunk. He's all excited. Go home. I wish I could have got that on camera. I put him back in the water and he's just like back to normal. Top water, kayak, fishing. Also, we might get rained on a little bit.
Yeah, the radar wasn't looking like awful, but...
No, there's like a line just to the west of us.
Like, they always do good.
Oh, man! Dude, I had literally zero time to react for that. That was right at the front of the kayak. Well, that's good. We just got out in the water and we're getting bites like this. Or I am. Noah's not ready yet, but...
Yeah, I'm slow.
It's okay. I also just already had a frog tied on, so... Jeez! Ugh. Chances are that fish isn't sitting over there anymore. Ugh. Man. That thing completely rearranged my frog. There he is. Oh, almost hit the camera. Come on. God. Finally. They're not giants, but they are little footballs. Excuse me while I figure out what to do with my rod here. Yeah, little thuds. That one took some work to catch. Jeez. Holy crap. That thing hit like 6 times. Oh, I got a fish.
Oh, I got a fish.
Oh, I don't know what's under me. It's a bass. Whoa. About the same size as the other ones. A little smaller, I suppose. Not bad. Caught him on a little MEPS 3, little light rod. If I spin around, you can see this tree. Actually, I have a phone. I can show you that. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. I'll show you the structure I'm fishing around. Caught him over to the left there. Oh, what the hell's going on over there? What the hell's going on over there?
Excuse me?
Was that a beaver?
What's that?
Was that a beaver? Got it. Oh, a little bass. Whoa, almost got blasted. This little guy just bit like 8 times in a row. I finally caught him. Just a little fat boy. 3-inch Kayak swim bait. Oh, there's another. Oh, that one got off right away. We got some storms coming in. My battery charger is not doing what it's supposed to. So I'm gonna try to make the most of everything here. Whoa!
Huh?
There was a huge bass just sitting right next to me. It darted. Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
Just an aggressively small bass. Oh, gone forever. That thing smoked it.
Uh-huh.
All right. Don't mind the cigarette, but I am back where I started earlier, running topwater. We're gonna give it one more try for the topwaters, and then I'm gonna go home and eat. There's storms, a helicopter somewhere. Noah, look at these clouds. Look at these 2 clouds. I'll show you guys what I'm looking at here. You can probably almost see it. Really pretty looking. Got him. No, I don't. So my camera fell right off the front of my kayak right at the end there. I didn't see any fish underwater, unfortunately, but I got it back out. My microphone stopped working, but I do have that fixed. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Tight lines.